Yo, it's Pharrell. After the holiday, I wanted to set you up with all the picks for Wednesday's baseball, but first I wanted to remind you, the NFL picks will be up Wednesday and the college picks. So at some point, Wednesday, you'll see all the picks for the NFL games, Thursday, Sunday, Monday, and all the college games this week. Glad the football's underway. I got some great picks for this week, so strap in for those. Here's Wednesday's freebies. Philadelphia, Washington, Cliff Lee. Had a horrible outing his last time out. I say he gets back on track against the Nats. Take Lee over the Nationals, even though it's in D.C. Tampa Bay and the Yankees. I'm taking Neiman in a high-risk pick over Jabba Chamberlain. Jabba has looked lousy lately. He's been getting lit up. Neiman's been very consistent for the Rays. Even though the Yankees have been schooling the Rays in a series out in the Bronx. I went to the game last night. Gunner's first game, by the way. He was baptized. Shake hand. Anyway, I'm going with Neiman. I think the Rays are going to scratch one out here. Take the under 10 in that game. Neiman a 3.67 ERA. Jabba 4.41. The series has been high scoring, lots of runs like the 11-1 game. I'm staying under in this one. Tigers, Royals. Verlander over Tejada in Kansas City. I'm taking the Tigers and the under 8. Verlander's ERA 3.29. Tejada's 3.61. The other totals I like for Wednesday. Cards and Brewers, Wainwright against Subban in Milwaukee, under 8 there, mainly because of Wainwright's 2.68 ERA. Subban gives up runs. I still think it's going to be close to 8. I'm going under. And then Florida and the Mets in Queens, Nolasco against Mish. Nolasco a 5.27 ERA, Mish 3.25. I'm going over 9 there. So Florida, Mets over 9, Cards, Brewers under 8, Tigers, Royals under 8. And the under in the Tampa Bay Yankee game, the picks are Philly, Tampa, and the Tigers. You're set up. Don't forget, football picks will be up Wednesday. And go to ScottPizzaMan.com for all my action in every sport, every day, 7 days a week, 365. Football, baseball, boxing, MMA, you name it, you got it on ScottPizzaMan.com. And don't forget to check out PharrellRadio.com for not only my free baseball picks, but my NHL player interviews that I did today in New York City at NHL Media Day. I got some terrific interviews with superstars in the NHL. And you can check YouTube every day for the NHL interviews and Pharrell's free picks. So I'll tell you about how to see those videos on the radio show every night at 8 East. Pharrell checking you out after Labor Day. Hope everybody had a good holiday. Let's get back to work and hit some games. Shake hand. Ooh.